family, thank you for watching. Today's video is about taking cold showers. We've all heard about the benefits of taking cold showers. Today's video will give you 3 reasons why you must take cold showers every morning before going to work. Now, I must tell you, as a medical doctor, this advice is meant to help you thrive at work. And I don't want this advice to replace anything that your own doctor may tell you. If you have heart disease or have any medical problems, please check with your doctor before following any of my recommendations. I want you to thrive at work. I would not want to give you any advice which may contradict anything your present doctor may have told you. Here are 3 reasons why you must take cold showers every morning. Number 1, cold showers help you become emotionally resilient. When you become emotionally resilient, you can handle a whole lot more without losing your cool, so to speak. Emotional resilience is essential for work because it allows you to stay calm and to deal with the daily challenges of work in a peaceful and calm manner. Showers also help you maintain emotional resilience by releasing endorphins, happy hormones. So this is probably one of the biggest reasons why you should take cold showers. Reason number 3, cold showers will help decrease stress. When your body is stressed, it reacts to situations and not responds to situations. Our goal in life as humans is to get to the point where we are responding and not reacting to the daily challenges of life. And cold showers have been proven to help you become less reactive and be more calm and respond to situations. Reason number 3, cold showers will help decrease your chances of depression. And again, this is because cold showers prepare your body in a more positive way to handle situations in life. Cold showers help release endorphins, noradrenalines, and also help your body be more resilient to any situation you may face. Now, I'm not saying that if you start taking cold showers tomorrow, you'll automatically start noticing these things right away. It takes time and it takes commitment and consistency. But if you want to thrive at work, adding a cold shower to your daily routine is something which has been proven, and I can speak for myself as an example. When I started taking cold showers in the morning a few years ago, I realized that I was definitely more resilient. I thrived at work. I enjoyed my work better. I was a lot more calm and a lot more peaceful. And I made that a daily practice. Until this day, I still keep that a practice and would never leave the house after my morning workout without taking a cold shower. There are so many other benefits to taking cold showers, but I will stick with these 3 and hope that you put this to practice after checking with your physician to make sure it's appropriate for you. Also, read our disclaimer below. We thank you so much for watching. Here at Success Motivation, we want to see you thrive in your personal life and at work. And it all begins with what you do at home and in your spare time. We thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you next week on another video. Until then, may all your days be successful days. Please subscribe. Hit the like button if this video was helpful to you, and we hope to see you next week. We love you.